Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening settings and tapping accessibility so you can change how the screen responds. This is faster than hunting through menus. Once in accessibility, find VoiceOver or the relevant spoken content control. On iPhone, the feature that speaks interface items is VoiceOver or spoken content depending on iOS. Make sure you can authenticate with Face ID or passcode because some gesture changes require quick verification. Now, prepare to adjust the toggle and practice the short gesture sequence you'll use to confirm the change. You'll now turn the speaking feature off. Tap the specific entry like VoiceOver or spoken content to open its controls. Because VoiceOver changes how taps work, use a double tap to activate buttons when VoiceOver is on or a 3-finger gesture to scroll. This helps you toggle reliably. Once inside, switch VoiceOver off or disable Speak Screen and Speak Selection as needed. Then pause and wait for the system to stop speaking, so you can confirm the interface returns to normal interaction behavior. You finish by verifying the screen no longer reads items and that taps, swipes, and typing work as expected. Interact with a few apps to confirm. If speech persists, reboot your iPhone and check the same accessibility setting again, or toggle it back on then off to reset the service. If you enabled an accessibility shortcut, triple-click the side button to quickly re-enable or disable the feature in future. This is handy if gestures or VoiceOver behavior still feels inconsistent after changes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.